Today we'll talk about how can you disable groups pinned messages notifications on your Telegram X app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. Then you come to next here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on notifications here. When you just click here on notifications, come to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on groups here. When you just click here on groups, you go down here. So when you just go down here, you come here to pinned messages. Clicking this sign or this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's mean pinned messages notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.